Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing some door sill protectors on our 2021 Ford Bronco. They've got a design that's very similar to the OEM floor mats and the step bars on the OBX, so it's going to give a nice cohesive design or a nice cohesive flow as you step into the Bronco. Let's check them out. These were an Amazon Prime Day purchase that I just couldn't pass up. They have a 3M style adhesive on the back, and they're clearly labelled left and right. And this area is begging to be customized. Check out the end of the video. The first step is to wipe down the area really well and get rid of any dust or debris. And then I wanted to check the position of where it's going to sit and just loosely placed it down. And I added some painter's tape markers just so I could see where it was going to end up. Peel off the red backing strips, and then carefully stick it down. The adhesive is very strong, so you really only get one chance at putting it down. When it's pressed down firmly, peel off the painter's tape and move on to the next one. And it's the same process for the next three. Wipe down the area, lay it down and mark it with painter's tape, peel off the backing tape, and carefully stick it down. Here you can see how well they coordinate with the floor mats and the step bars. And here's that blank recess that was in the front two door sills. I added a decal that has Azanthus X in it and some topography. And there you go, another ridiculously easy install. Simply peel off those red backing strips, stick them down onto the door sill, and there you go. It's a nice cohesive design as you step into the Bronco. It looks very similar to the OEM floor mats and the side steps. And let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think they're a good idea or just a waste of time? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.